hadi sikumbuki. Wow, finally.
Mshaosha huku.
Wewe, si nilipokuwa na koti. Uzuri haina matope. Guy, nilitoa nini?
Yangu inakuwa blunt sana. But I'm
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is She and welcome to this week's vlog. I always say that, but first things first, happy new year guys. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Mine was okay. It was pretty much good, by the way, like ilikuwa sawa. Yeah, so I just thought I should first greet you guys before telling you other stuff. Yeah, so we've just resumed to school. I mean, nimefika like a few hours ago, but I had first to do some cleaning because akujakuwa na mtu huku for like, actually it's not long, like si long. Mbona naona nika tumefunga for long. It's not long, like, so let me unpack with you guys ndio niwaambie mbona nilichukua hii brand na si hii, like ama mbona nilichukua to some stuff. Yeah, okay. It's not a lot of stuff. Yeah, so spendi hivyo, like spendi my background, but my table is right here, so like I just have to unpack nikiwa hapa. Yeah. Like I feel like hii wardrobe I can't get that see that appealing, like as much as I try to arrange it bado tu inakaa tu sijui aje, but okay. So first nilichukua hizi tissue. Yeah, nilichukua hizi za Naivas because zilikuwa on offer, and then serviettes because hizi nimebuy for my kitchen like part. Juu nilikuwa naona like tuseme nimetoast mkate, the crumbs zenye zimebaki like hapo, like I need to wipe them. So yeah, Prestige margarine, vanilla flavored. I just like it. And then he Colgate. But then I try new stuff, like Miss Joangi my preference. So like nimebuy different stuff this time, like different brands ndio ni try out. Last time nilibuy Pepsodent, sikuipenda like that much, so this time I'm trying out the Colgate Triple Action. I've tried the Colgate, the normal one, the white one, the herbal one. Sizipendi, like I just don't love them that much. Bread as always, like breakfast, and then tea bags as always for making tea, and then I just prefer Mac coffee. So like I just thought I should try each one of them. I don't know what's the difference, but I'll tell you guys once I try. Like so kuna hivi caramel and yeah, okay, I just try. Zimeandikwa majina zingine ngumu isipokuwa the caramel one. Hizi zingine sijui zinaitwaje, but I'll try. Nikabuy the beef flavored indomie. Yeah, last time nilibuy chicken and beef, but nilipenda beef, like I prefer the beef ones. So hizo za chicken ziliishi hapa, like wow, I was just forcing myself to eat them, but yeah. So this time nikaona let me just stick to the ones that I love. And then bar soap is for washing my clothes. And then so I was using this one. Haijaisha bado actually. I still have like 2 packs, like two soaps. Yeah. And then there's the lotion that I usually use. At least niko na preference ya lotion guys. Yeah, so I prefer this one. And then have this one. I feel like Vaseline inakuwa tu sawa, like, you know, it's just okay. I bought a few packets of milk cause man si kila saa ni black tea manzi, man. Few pens, sugar. So guys, that's that for my shopping. Yeah, so I want to pack my stuff, like, yeah. And then I want to change right now into some comfort clothes because I'm not planning to go out like today. Yeah, nibeba food, like I carried food from home, so like sitoki, like I'm not going out, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm doing something. I want to undo my hair, like inywele imekaa but haijakaa sana, like it's just been like 1 month and I think 2 weeks, or maybe 3 weeks. Yeah, so I want to undo my hair as I watch, and yeah. Umetoa wapi vitu ambavyo nimefanya kwa lap? Turuke kwa hiyo, tuende kwa hiyo story ya lapi. Sasa class rep Oktoba alafu tena Disemba sisi wote sasa tukaenda. Alafu hi guys, so today is a new day and nimekaa tu hivi nikakumbuka, by the way, you know what, I need to make a new vision board. Like I need to make a vision board for this year. So this is what I'm thinking. Like it's nothing much, honestly, it's nothing deep. Like I just want to like just take her to the stuffs I want to do, some little things that I want to do for myself this year. Number one is hair care, like facial care, like just sinanga face routine, and I do nothing to my hair, guys. Like sipokuwa tu ni kupaka mafuta and maybe spray my braids or something. I don't do anything. So this, like, I want to do that for myself this year. So yeah, and then consistency will remain like from my previous year, and then just that, guys. Imagine iko hivyo too simple, because see, like my vision board staki kwe that like deep. There's some stuff I want, but hizo tu I'll just keep to myself and work towards them, like for me. So wish me luck and I'll take you guys through it. Sidhani nitamanage leo, but I'll look for the inspirational photos on Pinterest today, and then I'll print tomorrow and stick them tomorrow. I'll still use this board like the one I used last year, because the other side iko empty. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is my final outcome. Yeah, so let me just explain a bit. So as I told you guys, I want to take care of my hair and my skin, and I want to have a bags collection, and then consistency as always for my content creation. And I study, so like, yeah, I want to do well in school as well. And then I want to get jewelry, sunglasses, to live in the moment. Like, that's my motto for this year. Like, I just want to live in the moment, guys. And then there's a verse here that says, cast all your anxieties to him because he cares for you. And then above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Yeah. I just love how simple it turned out. I feel like there's so many spaces, but like, it's so simple, and that's how I want my year to be. Just simple and good vibes, and just live, like, just live. Yeah.